Hello, have you had a nice Christmas? Why not give this a go as your New Year's resolution? I am going to use what nature provides, and I am going to work with nature to improve the soil in my garden. How about that? Fancy giving that a go? I'm going to use what nature provides, and I am going to work with nature to improve the soil in my garden. It's easy, but it's long term. This doesn't happen in a few days and a few weeks and a few months. This is an ongoing commitment if you're going to give this a go. Because each year you grow something in your garden, you'll deplete it, so you need to replenish that year on year. I'm going to tell you how to do that if you want to give it a go. Okay, so soil improvement is best done in the colder months when there's nothing growing. Well, the soil's exposed, isn't it? You can get at the soil because there's nothing growing. Keep it simple and work with nature. Collect what nature provides. In my case, that's seaweed and leaves, but you can use grass if you can't get seaweed. I also add coffee grounds that I get free from the high street coffee shops. Chop the mixed seaweed and leaves, then drop it on any exposed soil in a thin layer to overwinter. Recycle your soil by putting it back into your bucket under a capping of chop and drop. So we can cover the soil in the border because there's nothing growing in the borders, in the flower beds, in the raised beds, and we can cover the soil in the buckets because we've put the soil back in the buckets. We've simply put a capping of chop and drop on there. And now all we've got to do is wait for winter to run its course. No need for compost heaps, no need for heavy lifting or turning. Your work is done. That's it, your work is done. Over a period of several months, the winter weather and the things that live in the soil will break down the mix, taking it into your soil. Just as nature would do it. Just as nature would do it. Doesn't need to be any more complicated than that. These vegetables were grown in soil that I have reinvigorated year on year using this method. these flowers were grown in borders that get a layer of chop and drop each winter. Do this and you can improve your soil so that it's ready to go in spring, year after year after year after year. Did somebody say you can't do that? Who said you can't do that? Who said you can't do that? Use your soil year after year after year after year. I'm doing it. You could do it. It's simple. It really is. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. This is Homegrown Veg, signing out.